Welcome to part 2 of my May 2019 Portland trip for Casey and Daniel's wedding. Today we explored Oregon with a nice drive to the coast and later bar hopped around Portland. The next morning I met with the bride Casey, bridesmaid Yvonne, and my brother Mike. We've all been friends since high school and now live far apart, but Casey and Yvonne are fantastic people I was very excited to see. The plan was for Yvonne, Mike, and me to go out to the coast, visit some breweries out there including Guard, and check out the renowned Tillamook cheese factory. We caught up on the drive out there and had years to talk about. I drove through the verdant Oregon forests that eventually gave way to the foggy Pacific coast. Alright, we're at Oceanside in Oregon on the west coast, looking out over the Pacific, checking out the beach. The waves, got some cool rocks, cliffs. Yeah. After checking out the beach, we drove back from the coast to Tillamook and went to Guard Brewing, a well-known wild ale brewery. A line formed as Guard opened, but it moved briskly, and we got to pick our drinks. We ended up trying Weisshaus, the Truffle, Spring Amusement, Winter Amusement, and Block 15 Hypnosis 2018 Cognac Barrel-Aged Barley Wine. A bit surprisingly for a visit to Guard, the barley wine was a unanimous favorite, but such is the power of barley wine. Here's Guard Brewing in kind of north-central Tillamook, Oregon, with an updated rustic look. We were already inside and enjoyed our bit of time there. Now we're going down to an older brewery, Pelican Brewing. You can see some steam coming out of it. Looks like there's a little food truck area over there nearby too. Tillamook has a Petaluma plus some Tamales Bay vibe. It took half an hour to drive out to the coast from here. And now we're to Pelican Brewing. At Pelican Brewing, we tried a well-done tsunami stout, classic, no frills, and a strong ale with juniper. Then we headed to the Tillamook Creamery before heading back to Portland. We're going to the Tillamook Creamery. You excited?
Giant cow.
I'm gonna back to cream myself. Thank you. And I thought we were calling it the Cheesery.
Yeah, why don't you guys talk about this?
Yeah, tell us more about that.
Well, you see, I have a unique condition.
The Tillamook Creamery has a number of components, including Tillamook and Creamery history, cheese-making exhibits, a factory window tour, cheese tasting, a cafeteria, and perhaps the cheesiest gift shop west of the Mississippi.
Definitely gonna get anyways if they come there.
Yeah, so definitely heard of the, I don't know if you heard earlier, there's like 5 and 6-year-old cheddar and like black paper you can only buy here. While we had a time limit to get back to Portland, I think about an hour is appropriate to set aside to explore the creamery. Longer if you wish to read every poster and exhibit in full, or eat at the cafeteria. Alright, so you gotta, you spray 4 udders, you wipe 4 udders, and you connect 4 udders. Are you ready?
Wait, do I spray like touching it?
It's all fake.
It's all
It's not a real cow.
Okay. Alright.
Nope. Come on, get it hooked up. Oh, fell off.
Yeah.
Now the cheese tasting, after enjoying some of the cow information. And it looks like it is self-serve and a bunch of inspirational sayings about the cheese game. You want some kish? You know? Alright. I am definitely doing that.
What is that?
We got
Yeah.
smoked black pepper, white cheddar, sharp cheddar, medium white cheddar, Colby Jack, fantastic, and cheddar cheese curds.
You best know we're gonna do a tasting.
Yeah, we're gonna do a cheese tasting.
A flight of cheese.
Check out the next video to see a window tour of Tillamook Creamery and to see what else we did that day.